how to make any browser to your default browser on your system. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can make any browser to your default browser on your laptop system. So let's get it started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open any browser whom you want to make default browser on your system. So in my case, I'm opening the Chrome browser, and after opening the browser, you will have to go with the three dots. Just it will appear at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on it, and from here, you will have to go with the option settings. And after opening the settings on browser, you'll got options like default browser. So you have to go with the options default browser. So simply click on it. And here I have already set the Google Chrome as my default browser. So from here, you can also set the Chrome as default browser. So like in this process, it will work on every browser. So like I will show you with Microsoft Edge. So in the Microsoft Edge, on this settings section, I will got options to default browser. So it will work on every browser that you have to go on settings, and then on the settings section, you will get options default browser. So from there, you will be able to make that browser to your default browser on your system. So likewise, you can also make the any browser to your default browser on your system. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries are arising, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.